How to fix unable to connect to OneDrive, please try uploading again, Microsoft Teams error. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this error go away so you can have the ability to upload photos into a channel. And if this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. This error is weird because you might be able to do this in other subchannels, but not the particular one you're in. To fix this, find the Files tab and click it. Wait until it brings up "This folder is empty." Then go back and try it again, and you should find that it's working. The reason this error will occur with subchannels is because if nobody has ever clicked into the files, there will be no place to save files in the channel. So therefore, once you click the Files tab, it will create that folder, and then you'll be able to start uploading. Although this is the main reason this happens, this can also occur for other reasons. So if this doesn't do it, make sure you open up your Microsoft Teams in a web browser and try doing the same thing there. If it works in the web browser but not on your desktop Teams, you might need to fully uninstall or repair your desktop Teams. It's also worth mentioning that if an admin makes you a read-only user in a channel, you will no longer be able to post those photos, but it may still act like you have the ability to. If you're still having this issue and it isn't related to any of these fixes, feel free to leave a comment below letting me know what's going on and we can try to work through it together. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.